Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl M to the M to the M to the O to the MO. It's your girl Momo. If you don't know, you know. And yes, I am back. Guys, I know I'm late this week for the upload, but it is what it is, y'all. So today I'll be trying snacks, exotic snacks from bussinsnacks. If you guys wanna get any of these snacks that I'll be trying today, you can go follow them on Instagram at bussinsnacks, and they're also on TikTok as bussinsnacks. I will put their Instagram down below so that you guys could check them out if you want to. So yeah, let's try some exotic. So we have, I don't even know, let's see. So we have a slushy Cocoa Puffs popcorn, Frosted Flakes treats, that's from UK, Kitkat bits bites cookies and cream flavor, that's from Japan, limited edition Kitkat fruit cereal, s'mores pod from Australia, original Skittles freezer pops, that's actually in the freezer right now, Chips Ahoy chocolate chip grape chocolate chip Chips Ahoy and that's from China, wild berry Skittles, the gummies, giant Kitkat Honeycomb Smash, that's also from Australia, Snickers Milkshake, that's from UK, and the last but Doritos taco flavors from Japan, and Oreo cinnamon bun cookies from Canada. Let's get eating. That's so no way, but let's just try the snacks, guys. What should I try first? I'm excited about the Doritos. Let's try the Doritos. So this is what it looks like. This is what the bag looks like. It looks like a normal Doritos bag, but it has the taco on it right there and some, what's this? Yeah, Japan whatever. So let's try it. I love me some Doritos, by the way. I don't like the smell. The smell is not giving. Like, but they'll try me. No. So it looks like a normal Doritos, but let's just try it. Whoa. Wow, this is good. This is good, y'all. Oh. The first bite I took was kind of sweet and give me the vibe of this thing that I always get at Subway. But after the second bite, tastes like salty and I don't know. It's good though. It's good. Snack number 2. Let's try the Chips Ahoy grape flavor thingy. Let's see what this tastes like. Okay. Ooh. This is what it looks like. It doesn't have much. The thing on here kind of looks like raisins though. Well, let's see. Okay, let me rate these. So for the Doritos, I gave it like a 7 out of 10, and for this I gave it a 6. It's good, but I don't really like the chewy type Chips Ahoy. But if you do, you would really enjoy this. I'm telling you, it's really good. So this Kitkat is the fruit cereal flavor. I've never tried it before, obviously. Why is it taking so long to open? So this is what it looks like. Can y'all see it? So that's what it looks like. I'll give this a 9 out of 10. It's busting. So next up, I'm gonna be trying the cookies and cream Kitkat. I love everything to do with cookies and cream, by the way. I love cookies and cream ice cream. Yeah. I know is it Hershey's? Cookies and cream? Yeah, that's it. Oh. This is what it looks like. Let's see. This white chocolate is so strong. I can barely taste the cookies in it. I'll give it a 6 out of 10 also. It's just, whoa, this is huge. Let's go ahead and try the Honeycomb Smash. This is huge, guys. Oh, I get it now. The honeycomb is inside. Oh. I'll give this an 8 out of 10. It's done gone with itself. Let's try the cereal bars now. She's so cute, she's so sexy. Hey. This is what it looks like. And let's open it and see. This looks like it's gonna broke my teeth. Oh. Is this supposed to be the milk? Yup. Okay. I guess it's a 5 out of 10. Nope. It's good, but it's not giving what it's supposed to be giving. Yes. Okay. So I feel like I need to wash that down with something. So let me get a drink. I'll be back. I have these two drinks. So this is the Snickers Milkshake, and this is the raspberry slushy. So let's try this. It's supposed to be a slushy, as in it's supposed to, whatever, I guess. It's not frozen, so it's not frozen. So we're just gonna take a sip, see how it tastes. It's good. I think I'll prefer it when it's frozen, because it's kind of thick. I'm gonna like thick things are gonna so
what?
So I'm gonna put it back in the fridge when I'm finished. You know what I just realized? I think I'm gonna cut that part out, because Jamaicans thinks, you know what? Let me not even say this. the s'mores pod. I think I'm gonna like this because I love me some s'mores. Actually, I don't. I'll eat s'mores like on occasion, but I'm not gonna eat it like all the time because it's too sweet, man. Let's see what we're dealing with here. Okay. Why it looks so big on the package? I thought it was gonna be big. Look at this, bro. What is this? Anyways, I guess it's supposed to be a snack, so. Honestly, I thought it would be runny when I bite it in the middle. I don't know why. Mmm. Mmm. Nope. Right? After tears. This, I gave this a 4. I don't think so, bro. I'd give that a 4 out of 10. Should we try this right now or should we leave it? Leave it. Let's try the Skittles. The rainbow Skittles. Let's see. Let's see what we're dealing with here. Whoa. It's really gummies. Like, I don't know what I was expecting, but it wasn't this. Okay. Let's try all the flavors. No Tyrone water. Wait, it's just 3. Oh, okay. Wait. No. Okay. So the flavors are melon berry, berry punch, wild berry, and raspberry. Ooh, it fell. And raspberry. Yep, it tastes like raspberry. I don't know what wild cherry is supposed to taste like. Why am I drop? Okay, that's good. I'll give this a 8 out of Oreos. Why did I think these were made like actual honey buns? It's just the flavor, dog. It's just the flavor. It's just the flavor. It didn't say I shape like cinnamon bun. It says I taste like cinnamon bun. The flavor. Not me was supposed to open the thing here, but I hope. Anyways. I didn't even see. Okay, let's just try it. Definitely taste the cinnamon on the first bite. Okay. It's really good. I give this a 9 out of 10. Yes, dog. Cocoa Puffs popcorn. Let's see what we're dealing with. Guys, I'm so sorry for hearing that. But I give those popcorn a 6 out of 10. Now let's go ahead and try this Snickers milkshake. Oh, is there a seal on the bottom? Of course there is. Duh. It's watering. Oh, okay. Is this the healthy flavor? Like, why is it so fresh? Disappointed. Actually, no. It's okay. I give it a 4 out of 10. No offense to my Snicker bars though. So guys, now we have the popsicles left. Let me go see if they're frozen, and I'll be back. Guys, they're not frozen. Well, yeah, no, they're not. But this is it. The Skittles popsicles, freezer pops. So they have the orange flavor, the strawberry flavor, green apple, and grape. So let's try the grape flavor. This is how it looks, y'all. Okay, fine. Let's try the green apple. I'm gonna put these back in the fridge to freeze. Guys, I don't know. Well, of course we do. Icicle. Kisco. What? It literally tastes like Serena gonna love them, yeah. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for staying until the end of the video. If you have made it this far in the video, I want you to comment hashtag Skittles crew down below. Yes, hashtag Skittles crew. I don't even know what that is, but yeah, just comment hashtag Skittles crew down below, and I'll know if you have made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you and appreciate you guys so much. You guys keep coming back every week to watch my videos, and I just want to say I appreciate you guys so much. Also, if you are new here, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you get notified whenever I post another video. Also, don't leave without liking. Come on guys, like the video. Like the video. I cannot stress this enough. Liking the video also helps me. It makes YouTube, I guess, push the video out to a broader audience. So please guys, like the video. I appreciate you guys so much, and I will definitely see you guys in the next video. Bye.